I'm back out here another Sunday afternoon. The spot where I shot my doe. Just pulled my stuff down. I'm gonna head out. My camera's not working. My Moultrie, apparently that's a Moultrie thing. I'm gonna go try to reset that, and then I think I'm gonna sit on a fence line tonight where I can see either side of the corn that got taken out and the field in front of me with my wind blowing away, and just do an observation sit tonight. But I'm gonna sit by some oaks too, so if something does come in, I have a little different firepower tonight. Bring out the Mathews. Just feeling it. I'm still gonna do a longbow hunt for doe with Dunk later this year. I'm ready to bring out the Mathews. See how it goes. My camera's right up here on the scrape. There's a scrape right there. And then my camera right here on this scrape right here. But also, since it's been a scrape, they're also destroying this branch. So it makes me want to sit here, but this upcoming weekend's a big cold front where I have a few days to hunt in a row, not just a Sunday afternoon, so I'm gonna back out, do an observation sit tonight to see if I can see into here without my wind blowing into here, so we'll see. I really want to sit in here tonight, but it just doesn't feel like the right night. Alright, I'm up on the property line. What I like is I can see everything. So that's a funnel, and the woods opens up there. Funnels again, and more woods. And the stuff I've been hunting is way on that side of the hill. My camera is down in there by those oaks, which I just got operational again, and it didn't save any of the photos. So I don't know what the last 3 days look like, but there is some serious work. So my hope is tonight that I'll get to watch deer out here and just see how they move. But I am like 300-400 yards away from the stuff I'm watching, and something could slip down this fence line. Very easily could happen. But we'll see. There's more I'm trying to learn tonight for next weekend, because I want to be in that stuff next weekend. Well, after that shot, looked a little ways back, she ran out at 52 yards and I put one in her shoulder. I couldn't find any blood, but I found her dead here following where I thought she was running. Yeah, that's 52 yards. She's not gonna go far with that in her. All right, doe down. Time to get to work. The spooky morning walk in the woods. It's super still out, so I'm walking a long way around because they can hear me in these leaves. So I'm gonna go the long way around. It's getting cold, 36 degrees. It's gonna be a good day. Well, things happened fast this morning. It was so quiet. There's no wind. And I was worried about making a lot of noise, so I didn't get my phone set up to film. And right at first light, I had a buck blowing at me out in the middle of the field. Must have got my ground scent. I walked a long way to get here, a long way around, so I wouldn't mess anything up, and I still did. But then another buck came in behind me. Wasn't a monster, but he gave me a 22-yard shot. He came up through this thick stuff. I was sitting in that leaning tree right up there. 22-yard shot. The best part about this pass through with my old Muzzy was that I saw him go down. I mean, just really good blood off the bat. Blood pouring out. I mean, it is spraying out of him.